Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So ADA has possibly turned around. It broke above the recent swing high, the last swing high. The upside pressure that we can currently see in the crypto market is pushing ADA to the upside as well. And yeah, it reached here the support area, reached the target area. I did enter ADA today at 37.9 cents. It was quite a good entry. I did also re-enter Ethereum after having been stopped out. I also picked a good one there with 16.16. Yeah, not exactly the low, but quite close. I did that today because they had pulled deeply into support, especially Ethereum. ADA, looking at the pattern, was possibly full, but I actually expected it to go a little lower. These are the dotted lines, or these lines we identified in a previous video as ideal targets. But overall, this was the larger support area. So whenever it enters here, you need to be ready for a possible turnaround. So I entered a first ADA position. I actually planned to scale up a little bit lower as well, but sometimes it is what it is. It's too early to confirm it's going up anyway. Yeah, temporarily here, yes, but this can still easily break down. Maybe we just did an ABC here and it will still come down further. If that's the case, I will get stopped out at break even and may re-enter when we go deeper into the support area. But for now, it could very well be that this has finished its downtrend here in this wave 2 or wave B, whatever it is. Both are in the short term, for all intents and purposes, in the very short term, you can treat them as equal, yeah, because they do a similar thing. Just need to put on the chart again the WXY pattern that disappeared for some reason. Yeah, so with ADA, obviously we talked about in the previous video here this Elliott wave triangle in an X wave, then here down there ABC came into the support area and is now turning around. If that is now going to maintain its uptrend, it would be absolutely fantastic. Then we were really successful here recently on ADA. This was a really good entry. This was a good one. This is a good one. This support box failed though, but not by very much. So we had another support just below that. I did take the irrelevant one out and I will delete these at some point here as well. But for now, if this is now going up, I would say the very first resistance will be here, the B wave high at 39.6 cents. So a rally above that level would really indicate that a low is in place here. Then a break above the X wave high, which is at 40.6 cents, will indicate that the overall pattern, yeah, has probably bottomed. And then we could go higher to the next, well, first of all, then we will probably have next resistance at 42.1 cents. This will also be, I would say, the first target really. And then we've got 44 cents. Why is 44 cents realistic and absolutely relevant? It's just below 44 now, actually. This is the case because I did highlight that to you before. All of this could just be an A wave, a B wave, and we now rally up in a C wave. As you can see, the 1-to-1 ratio is here at 42 cents, basically. That will be resistance and maybe even a target. And then just below 44 cents is sort of the maximum this ABC structure should do, because it would be embedded in a larger correction. A wave down. This ABC is a B wave, and we would then come down in a C wave in this pattern. Could it be something more bullish? Absolutely, it could be. And that will become much more likely if we break above the 44 cent level. Strategically, what would be my thinking now? My thinking is I entered here. I will now see, assuming we will now go up further, I could still be stopped out at break even, but then I might just re-enter or just evaluate where we are and how the chart looks. But let's just assume it goes up further. I will probably just continue to move up my stop loss. Below, when we then break higher, make a new swing high, new swing low, I will just move up my stop loss. Keep it far enough away to not get stopped out due to normal intraday movements. And then if we get into this area sort of around 42 cents, I might take some partial profits, depending on how the chart looks, right? It's a bit too early we need to watch it. But I will definitely move up my stop loss, and then at some point I might just get stopped out in profit, because there is still enough downside risk. And you know, maybe I won't. Maybe it just rallies through, and then even better, it could reach here sort of the 50-cent level in this third wave. This is where we should see the difference between, is it a wave C of a larger B wave, or is it a third wave? Because the third wave should be stronger than the C wave in this case, because the C wave should see some severe resistance at the 44-cent level at the very latest. That's ADA. You know, there is a potential it has turned around now. Now again, it's a bit too early to say. It broke above the recent swing high. That's always a good signal. But now we need to go above the B wave high. That's sort of micro resistance at 39.6 cents. And surely that will depend to a degree on Bitcoin, Ethereum as well. Yeah, Ethereum makes a good impression, but Ethereum, for example, needs to rally now above 1650. So we are just below resistance now. And Bitcoin needs to go above, also just below resistance here, 24,230. But it's looking like it could do it. It's looking like it could do it. But then, you know, it's just before the daily candle close, so you normally see some volatility. And let's see if it will push through. It's too early to confirm, but we're making a good start. Okay, that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.